Hello everyone, welcome to ThemeGrill. So in this video, we'll learn how to create an online course within your WordPress website using the Masteriyo LMS plugin. So let's jump right into it. But before we do, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Alright, so here we are within our computer screen. First of all, I'm going to give you a preview of the sort of site that we're going to create. So I will be using the e-learning theme alongside the Masteriyo LMS plugin to create a site similar to this. We'll import this demo, we'll make a few changes here and there. And yeah, as for the courses, if I scroll down here, you can see here we have a few different course cards. So these right here are all individual courses. So if I click on any one of these, then you'll be able to see this is our single course page where we have an overview section, a curriculum section, where we can view what this course consists of. We can also see reviews here. People can leave reviews. And yeah, it all looks pretty good. So I'll show you how to import this exact demo. I'll show you how to make a few changes. I'll show you how to create an online course. And I'll also show you different features that the Masteriyo LMS plugin has to offer within both the free and the pro version. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so here we are within a fresh new WordPress installation. Now first of all, this is a totally blank site, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to install our e-learning theme so that we can import our demo. So for that, let's go within Appearance, Themes, and let's click on Add New Theme. Now we're going to search here for e-learning without a space. So yeah, search for it, and you should see this plugin right here with the same preview. So click on Install and simply click on Activate. So there you go, the plugin has been activated. It was rather quick. So you'll see this pop up as soon as you install this theme, and you'll see it says here, thank you for choosing e-learning. If you click on this button, it's going to install and activate the ThemeGrill demo importer plugin, which is going to help us import this demo. So click on Get Started. So here now we can see all the different sorts of designs that we can choose from. Now this is the classic e-learning demo that we just saw. And it's pretty sleek, elegant looking, perfect for e-learning sites, but we do also have different other designs here like Learn Loop. This one's pretty clean as well. I feel like this would be amazing for universities or something like that. We also have Edulex. This one's pretty neat as well. Yeah, but for now, let's go ahead and let's import this demo right here. This demo is going to install the Masteriyo LMS plugin, so you don't have to manually install that plugin. It's going to install Everest Forms as well as Elementor for our pages. So let's click on Import Demo. Click on Continue, and now it is importing the demo. Oh, and by the way, the Everest Forms plugin is for our contact form, which should be within this contact page right here. So yeah, let me show you. Yeah, this right here for this form, just letting you know. Alright, so there we go. Now it says import has been completed, and now our button is showing live previews. So if I click on live preview, we'll be able to view our website, and there we go. Everything is looking pretty good. It's looking just like the demo. Yeah, so here we have a ready-made site. Now if you've used Elementor, you can simply edit all these pages, but besides that, let's go ahead, let's learn how to add a course first. Alright, so now let's get back to our WordPress dashboard. Then simply go within Masteriyo, Courses, and now you can start adding a new course. Now all these courses here, they are demo courses. Let me show you a preview of the course as well. So if I click on Start Course, this is what a learning experience would look like for your user. They'll have this tab right here to see all the different sections of the course with different lessons. They can click on it, they can watch the videos, they can read the text, they can mark something as complete. They can also retract both these bars right here for a really distraction-free learning experience. And yeah, this is what it's going to look like. So let's go ahead, let's add our own course. Simply from the courses menu within Masteriyo, click on Add New Course, and now you can start filling in all the information about your course. Okay, so now it helps beforehand if you have a doc with all your course content, which I do have. Alright, so here I have all the doc content, your course title, the description for the course. We've also got the lessons that I want to have within the course, the sections, and I also have a quiz section here, so I'll show you how to add quiz within this course as well. So let's jump right into it. So first of all, let's give your course a name. I have the name right here, how to edit videos for Adobe Suite. I'm also going to paste in my description. This right here is the description, and here I have a iframe for an embedded video. So if I want to embed a video in here, I can do that as well. If I click on this insert/edit media button, then I can simply paste in my source. My bad, I need to go within this embed window right here, and I need to paste in my embed code. And once I have that there, I'm simply going to click OK, and there you go, a video has been embedded. So now I'm simply going to add a course highlights. Alright, so there you go. I've given my course highlights, just basic Adobe applications, Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Adobe Media Encoder. And yeah, if I want to, I can add this course within a category. So if you have different category of courses, then you can simply create a category and you can put this course within that category. So if you go within your courses page right here, what you can do is you can filter your courses by their category. Like you can see this one here is for photography, this one's for design, this one's for programming. So if I click on any of these, it'll show me different courses for that category. So you can create categories as well. For this one, I'm just going to add it to the WordPress category for now. And yeah, I can add multiple different categories. Here I can also add a featured image for the course. So if I click on add featured image, so I'm uploading here a random image that I have. This is a thumbnail for one of the videos, so I'm just going to use it. I'm going to click on select, and there it is. So we're done with this part. Let's go ahead and let's click on next. Now here what I can do is I can add different sections. So I guess first let me show you what it's going to look like. So here within this course, we have introduction. This is a section within which we have lessons, important action. This is another section within which we have lessons as well. And we have a quiz section where we have 2 different quizzes. So this is how you would structure your courses beforehand. So I simply go back to your course builder and let's click on add section. So the topic for our first section is going to be understanding the applications used. I'm simply going to add it. Now within this section, I have options to add a text lesson, a video lesson, a live stream lesson, quiz, and I also have options for Google Meet, Zoom meeting, or an assignment, which is only available in the premium version. Actually, only assignment and Zoom meetings are in the premium version. I'm pretty sure Google Meet is an add-on. So you can see right here within our add-ons page, if you just turn this on, then you can also add Google Meet classes within your course. But yeah, here we're just going to get started with a simple video lesson. If you want to make this a text lesson, you can do that as well. But yeah, the first lesson is going to be for Photoshop. So I'm going to add Photoshop there. So here, if you're creating a video lesson, you've got different options. One, you can, use a self-hosted video. You can get a video streaming platform from where you can basically stream all your uploaded videos. You can use YouTube, Vimeo, or you can embed a video as well. For now, I'm just going to click on YouTube, and I can provide a URL for a video. So here I'm going to provide a video URL, and you'll be able to see the video preview right here. If you want to, you can add timestamps as well so that people can skip different parts of the video. You'd simply give your timestamp a name first or a title, and yeah, you can drag the slider wherever you want to. Suppose 38 seconds was the start or the intro section of this video. Then I'm just going to type in intro. I can add it, and I can add multiple such timestamps so that it's easy for viewers to watch the video. And yeah, if I want to give this lesson a separate description, then I can do that as well. For now, I'm just going to paste in dummy content just like that, and if I want to, I can format this text as well. Like, if I want to make things bold, italicized, if I want to use different markups, I can do that as well. And I've got many other options. I can embed videos here, I can add links, all that good stuff. So yeah, and also there is a very small cheeky little option here. If you want to create this content using AI, then you can simply click on this button and you can use ChatGPT to write your content as well. But for this, you're going to need OpenAI's API key, which you can explore that on your own. Anyways, if we go over here to the top, you'll see this video settings tab right here. If you want to enable video sharing, you can do that. And you have this another option here to enable right click. So by default for courses, you generally don't allow users to right click so that, they can't look into the code of the pages, and so they don't figure out the quiz answers, etc. So yes, right click is disabled by default as a form of protection. So if you want to enable right clicks to allow users to be able to right click, you can do that as well. But for now, I'm going to leave it as it is. I like my lessons secure. So I'm just going to click on publish, and let me show you what this is going to look like. So here it is. This is our first sections, first course. We have a Photoshop. I mean, the video is totally unrelated, but yeah, this right here is the video. By the way, Masteriyo has its own player as well. It is the Masteriyo player, which you can configure as well. So here's our overview. And also there's another option where if you go here within your lesson, you can also add a featured image, but we already have a video, so I'm not going to add an image. And yeah, if you want to, you can also embed images within your lessons so that it's easier for users to understand whatever it is that you're trying to convey. So you can do that as well. But for now, let's get back. We can also add a quiz within this section as well. First of all, I'll have to give my quiz a name. I'm just going to name it a short quiz. Add a new quiz. And now I can add different questions for my quiz. And yeah, I'm just going to click on add new question here. And we have a question. So we can choose different types of question. True or false, single choice, and multiple choice are the 3 question types that you can choose. In the premium version of this plugin, you have many more question types, like match the following. You have answer questions as well, and you've got many other question types. So yeah, but for now, within the free version, we get true or false, single choice, and multiple choice. So I'm going to show you by adding a true or false type question first. Red is red. blue is blue. And I can also assign points for this, so I'm going to give it 10 points. And the answer is true. If the correct answer were false, I would simply checkbox this false answer right here. But yeah, true it is. And also if I want to change the text for true or false, then I can simply change that as well. I can do right and wrong instead of true or false. So I can do that as well. So I'm simply going to click on update. And I can add another question here. Let me minimize this. So next question, we're going to add a single choice. What color do you like? I'm going to give it 10 points, but it doesn't really make sense to add points in here. So the first option, I'm going to type in red. I'm going to give blue, and I'm going to give black here. There it is. Now this one, I'm going to say the correct answer is black. Or let me change the question so that it makes more sense. What color is Jack's favorite? Suppose I have a lesson within which there's a character named Jack and he has a favorite color which is black. So now it makes more sense. What color is Jack's favorite? And black is the correct answer. So there we go, a single choice question. I'm going to update this as well. I'm going to add the third question type, and then I'll show you what the quiz is going to look like. So third question is going to be a multiple choice question. So let me add a question here. What do you need to make a cake? Why not? I'm going to give this thing 10 points as well. First of all, I guess egg, we got batter, we've got chicken. So yeah, the chicken here is the black sheep basically. So yeah, we can add multiple of these options here as the correct answer. So users can choose egg, batter, and if they choose chicken, it'll be wrong and they don't get their 10 points. So yeah, that is that. I'm simply going to click on update. So here we go. We got our 3 different questions. You can add multiple different questions here, by the way. And yeah, let's go within settings first. And since we added 3 different questions with 10 points each, our full points is going to be 30, our past points going to be 15. Why not? And duration, if you want to give duration to your course, you can do that. We're going to add 1 hour for now. Attempts allowed. If you want to limit the number of attempts for your users, you can do that as well. But for now, I'm not going to add any sort of limit here. If I go here within display, I can set how many questions I'd like per page. I'm just going to leave it as it is for now as well. So let's update it. And if I go here within info, I can also give my quiz a description. So I'm just going to paste in this dummy content for now. I'm going to click on update and I'm going to leave it as it is. So let me show you what the quiz is going to look like. Let me preview it. And yeah, here we've got our first lesson, and then we've got a quiz. You've got your quiz description, and after that, you've got your duration for the quiz, you know, how many questions there are, total points. And if I click on start quiz, then here it begins. Red is red, blue is blue. That is right. What color is Jack's favorite? I'm just going to tick on blue. And yeah, what do you need to make a cake? It's egg and batter. I'm simply going to click on submit quiz, confirm, and yeah, there it is. I got 67%. I earned 20 points because one of my answers were wrong. So this is what the quiz is going to look like. I can mark this as complete as well, and you can see here I have a completion slider as well, or a completion bar, whatever you want to call it. Users can also switch between dark mode and light mode. They've got notifications. They can also view their profile. Yeah, we're going to get into the user experience in a bit, but for now I show you how to add a section within which you can add a lesson, a quiz. So I'm just going to speed things up. I'm going to add a few different sections here with a few different lessons. So yeah, let's jump into it. And yeah, here I'm also going to show you what a live stream lesson is going to look like. So the text lesson, video lesson, and quiz I showed you. The video lesson and the text lesson, they are very similar. So yeah, let's click on live stream lesson here. And first of all, for live stream, you can give your live stream a name. I'm just gonna type in live session. So here within video URL, wherever it is that I'm live streaming, I'll have to paste its link here. So here for now, I'm just going to use Lo-Fi Girls live stream that is currently being streamed. So if you want to enable live chat, you can do that as well. So live chat will be visible within the course where people can see what other people within the live stream are saying. I can also add a description for this, you know, just paste in my dummy content for now, and I'm just going to click on update. Oh, my bad. I almost forgot. You also have to give your start time and your end time. So we're going to do 26th November from 12 a.m. to 26th November. Let's do something like 5 p.m. Sure, just gonna update it. There it is. We have a live stream session as well. And also, I think I don't want to use this image here because the image is a bit too big. So let me choose a different image. I'm just gonna choose this image because why not? I'm just gonna click on update. And now if we preview the course, this is what our course is looking like. So we've got our course we've got our course overview. We can also view the curriculum. So these are the 3 sections that we created. You can see we've got a lesson, a quiz, 2 lessons. We've got a text lesson here, another text lesson, and our live session as well. And people can also leave reviews. If you're logged in, if your viewer is logged in, they can type in their title, their content, they can give you stars, and you can manage all these reviews in the back end as well. And here we've got these short little course descriptions as well, which we can manage those from within our course settings. So back here within our course setting, if we go into this settings menu, then here we can choose difficulty for the course. If it's for beginners, you can select beginners, intermediates, experts, whatever you want to. You can add a course duration as well, 6 hours. If you want to limit the number of students, you can do that. And if you want to skew your enrolled count, so basically we have this enroll count right here, depending on however many people have been enrolled within the course. But if you want to manually add this number, then you can do that as well. I'm going to set in 5 for now. And if your course has an expiry date, you can add a end date here as well. If you want to allow users to be able to retake the course, you've got that option here. If you want to set a password for a really secret course, well, you've got that as well. And yeah, here's another option if you want to restrict the content. So like we saw before within our quiz, I'll show you what the quiz is looking like so that I can better explain to you what I mean. So right now I have started my quiz, and I can still, fiddle back to different lessons. I can see what the content is. I can go back and can fill out my answers, right? So the chances of me getting something wrong is very low. But if I turn this option on where I restrict content during quiz, let me update this. Now I'm going to refresh this page. So now if I go ahead, I start my quiz, it has already started by the way, the timer is going. That means now I cannot visit any of my lessons, and yeah, there's a good chance of me getting a lot of things wrong now. So if you want to, you can restrict content during quiz. If you want to add a course badge, you can do that as well. Something like bestseller or featured, if you want to add that. Actually, featured, you can add it here as well. Yeah, for now I'm just going to click on update. So let me show you what the course is looking like. So this is what it's looking like. We've got a course difficulty level here for beginners. It shows featured, the category is WordPress, and if you go in here, the time duration for the course 6 hours. We've got 5 different students in here. This is the static number that I added. The course is for beginners. It also shows when it was last updated, and if a student has already enrolled within the course, then they can also see when they started this course. So if they're also logged in, they'll see this as well. They'll see their progress for the course, which is amazing. So there you go. We basically created a course. Like, we're practically done. Now if you want to sell this course, well, you can do that as well. Let's go here within settings and let's go within payments. So you've got a few different payment methods here. You can first of all set up your store depending on which country you're from. You can simply select your option here. You can fill out your information. I'm just going to fill it in randomly for now. And yeah, you can go within currency. You can set which currency you want to use, how you want the currency to be viewed throughout your course. I'm going to save this setting as well. If I go here within checkout fields, I've got different checkout fields that people can fill out during checkout. So suppose I want to add a customer note, I can do that. If I want viewers to be able to upload any sort of like screenshot that proves that they have paid for the course or something for offline payment, then I can enable that as well. If I want viewers to put in their phone number, I can allow this field as well. Country field, company name, address line 1, 2. So I'm just going to save these settings. If I go here within standard PayPal, I can enable it, and I can connect my PayPal account as well, which I'm not going to get into. This is a pretty simple process really. You can simply add in your PayPal credentials in here. You can simply add in your PayPal credentials in here, and your PayPal payment will be working within the free version. So yes, you can create premium courses within the free version of this plugin, and for extended features you can use the premium version. So if we go here within the offline payment method, I'm simply going to enable this for now. So we've got a title. I'm just going to type in wire transfer, and yeah, you can simply give it a description. Please transfer the course fee to the bank details. And here I can simply give in my bank details, and I'm going to save it. So now if you're using offline payment, you'll have to manually check the order, and you're going to have to approve of it. So yeah, also if you're watching this from India, we also have support for Razorpay, but it is only available within the premium version. So yes. So but for now, let's go ahead and let's set a price tag on our course. So if you go here within courses, and if I edit the course that I just created, right now the course is free. I'm going to go within pricing. I'm going to make it paid. Also, I have another option here if I want the course to be free, but if I want people to register into the website before getting access to the course, I can do that as well. I'm simply going to go here, I'm going to click on paid, and I can set a one-time fee for the course. Suppose if the base price of the course is 100, I can do that. And suppose I'm running some sort of sale, I can bring its price down to $80. And let me show you what it's going to look like. We also have a recurring payment option. If you want users to basically subscribe into the course, you can do that as well, but it is only available in the premium version. There's also enrollment expiration, content drip, and many other things within this plugin. This is a really vast learning management system. This is not just a plugin that helps you create an online course. So yeah, let me show you what the course is looking like right now. So you can see our base price of 100, the sale price of $80. That's how it's going to look. Currently I'm logged in as an admin, so this is not exactly how a new user would be able to view it. But anyways, let's X out. I'm going to update this once again. Let me show you the site first. So this is what the site is looking like, and the course that we just created, how to edit videos, Adobe Suite, it's right here. And let me show you what a user that is interacting with your site that is not logged in would see it. So I've opened this tab in an incognito window, and this is what it's looking like. You can see we have a course badge called featured. So this course is featured. It looks extra special. So here I can click on buy now, and this is our checkout page right here. Users can fill out their information. I'm going to use fake filler for now. So if I want to upload an attachment here, any sort of image, then I can do that as well. And these right here are the fields that I enabled within the checkout fields option from the Masteriyo settings. But yeah, for now, I'm just going to click on confirm payment. It's also going to create a new user for whoever buys the course. And there you go. The order has been received. And if you're using offline payment method, then the payment instruction will be shown right here. Bank details, that's the only thing I typed in because I was lazy. But yes, your offline payment description or your instruction will be shown right here. So that's that. The order has been received. So if I go here back in my backend, I'm going to refresh this page. So here we should have a new order within Masteriyo's order menu. Currently their status is on hold. And by the way, this user has been created on our site as well. So I can now edit this and I can make it so that their status is set to complete. If I update the order, now the person will be able to access their course. Let me show you what that will look like. But first, let me also show you the user within our users tab. So from here, if I go within users, you can see that we have a new user here with the role of Masteriyo student. And by the way, as soon as they buy the course, they'll also get an email with the login credentials for your site. They can log in and they'll be able to view their course. So yes, let me show you what that will look like. If I go here back within my account page, I should be logged in. It's fine, I'm not logged in. I'll simply log in with my email and the password. If I click on sign in, voila, there you go, I've been signed in. And since my order has already been completed, it says I've been enrolled to one course. So if I click on your courses, then I should be able to see the course that I just created. So from here I can click on start course, and there you go, this is my course viewing or my learning experience. So I'm able to read, I'm able to view the video as well. And if I set a timestamp, you can see that the timestamp shows up like this. So this is a pretty interactive learning for your students. They can also ask questions from in here. So, I've got some sort of question. Why is red red? Ask a question. Other students can view this question as well. The admin, whoever created the course, can answer this. And yeah, I can go back within lessons. I can view what other sections I have to go to. I can jump between different lessons. And also, if I want to, I can make it so a user or a student will not be able to jump these different lessons. They'll have to read a lesson, they'll have to click on mark as complete, and then and only then they'll be able to go to different sections of the course. I can make that happen as well. And here up top we have this completion bar. So whenever a student marks something, a section as complete, then this completion bar will keep a count of that and it will show the user. So I can switch between dark and light mode. I can retract these as well for a pretty distraction-free learning experience. If I drag this down, I can also view the notifications, and here it says your order has been created successfully, your order is on hold, and as soon as the order has been completed, it's going to show that the order has been completed. So your users don't have to just rely on mail to get the updates on their course. So there you go, pretty interactive learning. So now we've totally created our course, everything is looking good. Well, what about our site? So if you use the e-learning theme and you imported this demo, then you can simply edit the content however you want to by simply clicking on edit with Elementor. And from in here, you can make changes to the site. So suppose I want to make it learn the secrets. Oh my God, I can't type 2. universe. Well, I can do that as well. You know, I can make changes to the text. When I import a demo, I don't have any sort of restrictions as to what my page is going to look like. So yeah, I can simply click on publish. Let me view what the page is looking like. There you go. Learn the secrets to universe. I don't know what I'm teaching, but yeah, you'll learn the secrets to universe, okay? So there you go. This is what it's looking like. You can make changes to the site. As for the theme, if you go here within appearance, if I click on customize, then I'll be able to customize different aspects of the header, the footer, the container. We've got a header builder for this theme. We've got a footer builder, so you can craft interactive headers. You know, suppose I don't want the logo there, I want the logo here. Well, I can simply drag it there. And you know what? Maybe suppose I don't want the logo there either. I want the logo to be up top, and I want the primary menu to be in the middle. So this is what it's looking like. You know, I can make changes to the site. I can configure it however I want to. You can do the same with the footer builder here. If I click on footer builder, then let me scroll down. So here we've got different widgets. You've got different sort of menus like quick links, company. You've got a contact us. You can edit its content if you simply click on this button right here. And yeah, you can edit its content. If you want to change the logo, you can do that. Suppose I want this widget to be here with widget 3. I don't know why I would want that. It's a really stupid design choice, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave it there. The point being, you can customize it however you want to. This is a pretty flexible theme. It is geared towards e-learning sites, so yeah, pretty good. And suppose I don't want this copyright section here, I can simply remove it. And if I want to make changes to this content right here, I can simply click on this settings or the gear icon, and yeah, I can delete this. There it is. So now it just says copyright 2024 and e-learning. This is the site title, by the way. Whatever your site name is, it's going to show up. And whichever year it is, the year smart tag is going to change the content dynamically. So I'm just going to publish it for now. Well, now what about the course? Suppose I really want extended features within my course. I want to add different sorts of quiz. I want to connect different payment methods. I want to give out certificates for my quiz. I want to give out certificates for my course. I want to give out assignments to the users. Well, how do I do that? And your answer is going to be Masteriyo Pro. Alright, so here I am within the Masteriyo's website, and I'm within the pricing page right here. They're running a Black Friday and a Cyber Monday sale, and it's up to 60% off right now. So if you're watching this video within the time around like November or December of 2024, then just snag this plugin right now. It's going on a great deal. They've got 2 different premium plans here. If you want to view all their features, you can view them right here. You can see here what different features are available. There is not that big of a difference between starter and growth. All the features will be the same. The only difference being the starter plan can only be used for a single site, while the growth plan can be used for unlimited sites. If you plan to buy Masteriyo Pro, you can simply click on buy now, and yeah, it's a standard checkout process, after which you'll be able to download a zip file for your Masteriyo Pro, and you can simply come here within plugins and you can add that new plugin. You can upload it right here. You can click on install and the plugin will be installed. After that, if you go within Masteriyo's add-ons, all the add-ons here that you currently cannot use within the free version, like these ones right here, some of them are locked as you can see. You'll only be able to use these within the premium version. And by the way, not all these add-ons are available within the premium version, like your Elementor integration. If you see here, you can see that the Elementor integration is available for free. You also have a certificate builder here. It is quite limited. You really can't craft a custom certificate. So if you want to craft custom certificates, then you're gonna have to buy the premium version. But if you click here on free, you'll be able to view all the free integrations, bricks, download materials. If you want to add download materials within your courses, you can do that as well. You've got all your page builder integrations. You've got your WooCommerce, SureCart integrations. All of them are available within the free version. But yes, for extended features, you're going to have to get their premium version. But as far as I'm concerned, there we go. We've completely created our site. I showed you how to create an online course, how to sell it for free as well. So yeah, that is it. So I hope you guys found that video helpful. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe. I'm Sid, and I'll see you whenever I'll see you. Take care.